everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be doing an easy special effects makeup look using a McDonald's cup and straw. I got this inspiration from another YouTuber. Her name is Simple Symphony, and I will link her information below. She's very talented and I love watching her videos. I've always wanted to get into special effects, so I am going to start dabbling in that, and I'm going to start today. So I do have a small little starter kit that I'll be working with, and then just some of my own makeup and my own tools to achieve this look. So if you would like to see this easy special effects makeup look, then please just keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing you'll need is some type of cup and straw. I have this one from McDonald's, and I'm going to kind of map out where I want the straw to be placed. And once I've found a spot, I'm going to cut it at an angle at the top. And I want to place it to where when you put the other end of the straw in, it looks like both sides are connected. So once you've found the right spot for it, you'll want to take some type of makeup wipe or an alcohol pad and kind of cleanse the spot where you want to put the adhesive. And all of these special effects products I'll be using are from Mehron, and I love them so much because they are cruelty free and they care about the animals. So thank you very much, Mehron. So I'm going to take this spirit gum adhesive and put just a little bit on the one spot that I'm going to be having the tip of the straw placed. It goes on really liquidy, but you want to wait till it is tacky before placing on the tip of the straw. And I'm taking the angled part of the straw and putting that on the adhesive, and I'm just going to hold it there for a few minutes. But it felt like forever, until it feels like it's secure. And after I held that for a million years, I actually went in with some liquid latex just to make the straw tip a little bit more secure because it felt a little flimsy. So I'm going to hold that until it is dry, and it felt much more secure and wasn't going to fall off. Now I'm going to take that liquid latex again with a cotton pad, and I'm going to put liquid latex around the perimeter of the straw. This is going to help give our wound some depth. So once you have a layer of the liquid latex on, then you'll take just a tiny amount of the cotton and just place that right on top, and make sure that you flatten out all of the edges. And then you'll go back over top of that with the liquid latex and wait till it's dry to move on. And what I'm doing now is taking actually a comedone extractor and using the flat end to kind of push that down and make it look like it's coming out of our skin. And now you can take any translucent powder and put that over the adhesive products to take away any shine and kind of disguise that it's, you know, fake. We want it to look as real as possible. So this will take any excess shine away. And now you can go in with your foundation to cover up the liquid latex and any other adhesive so it looks like it is your skin. And now I'm going to go in with my Lorac palette, and I'm going to take the color Rusty, which is like a red color, and just sloppily put that all around the wound just to give it a little bit of color because that would hurt, a straw going through the mouth. So our skin's going to be red and irritated. And the last step is putting on some fake blood, and I'm just going to put that all around the wound and on the straw. And then once you have that done, this special effects look is complete. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.